Okay, good afternoon, everybody. How you doing? Can you hear me?
Yep, can hear you.
Yes, we can.
Okay,
Yes,
good
sir.
to see. Yeah, good to see you back. Some of you took my aero class. Okay, looks like everybody's here. Um, let's just get started. This is okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, good. Thank you. All right. Okay, I think I'm recording right now. Good. So I hope you're looking at my desktop. This is AE317 aircraft flight mechanics and the performance. Okay. I feel like I know most of you uh, probably took my arrow, right? Okay. So anyways, this is the airplanes class. So uh, there's very funny thing about prerequisite. This class doesn't have prerequisite. I think the co-requisite is fluid mechanics, something like that. So anybody can actually take this class, which is kind of funny. Uh, I think the problem is we cannot really make aerodynamics prerequisites for this class because no one can take it if I do that. So I'm assuming that some of you may know aerodynamics very well. I assume some of you might not. So at the very beginning of this semester, I'm going to at least pace myself so that I'm going to cover aerodynamics portion fairly slowly. So if you took my aero class, uh, I think it's very redundant to repeat it, and then it's possibly boring, but please bear with me, okay? So today is the first day of online, and then first day of in-class will be Tuesday, February 2nd. So I assume everybody is sitting still in your hometown, right? Where are you right now? Let's see. This is only 12, right now, how many? Uh, we got only 12 people, so it's a small class. So let's just start with alphabetical order. Okay, I'm going to bring up this one here. Okay, so let's just start introducing yourself. Okay, starting with David. Too bad, it's alphabetical order. So let's just go one by one. Just introduce yourself, your major, uh, and something like that. A few seconds per person. Just go ahead, David.
Hey, I'm David Axenfeld. I'm a junior studying AE Aero, uh, and I've been in Prescott since the beginning of the school year, so didn't go home at all for the break or anything.
Okay. And Robert.
Hi, I'm Robert Bills Templeman, junior AE Aero. Yeah, also in Prescott right now.
Did you take arrow from someone else?
Yeah, I had it with Dr. Morris.
Okay, got it. Jordan. Jordan, you don't have microphone? Okay. Looks like he doesn't have microphone. Too bad. Uh, he's texting, yeah? Okay. Sophomore living in Prescott Valley right now. Okay, good. All right, no problem. Don't worry about it, Jordan. Okay, who's next? Matthew?
Yeah, I'm here. Matthew Dima. I'm a junior taking aerospace engineering, and I'm home in California right now.
Ah, okay. So are you gonna come back in February?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Okay. All right. I hope so. Daniel?
Hey, I'm Dan Guziak. I'm aerospace engineer. I'm a senior, and I live here in Prescott.
Okay. Joshua?
Hi, I'm Joshua Hovland. I'm also a senior aerospace engineer, and I am currently still in California.
Still in California. You're coming back, right?
Yes, coming back.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good. And Matthew? Oh, okay. Another microphone issue. Let's just take a look at. You're in Prescott. Okay, great. All right. Double major. Lots of work. And Connor.
Hello, I'm Connor. I'm on campus right now at Prescott.
Okay. Fresh out of Aero.
Yes,
So
sir. What an experience it was.
okay, taking my class, in a row, I guess it could be fun. Anyways, Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jessica Millard. I'm a junior aerospace engineering student, and I just got back to Prescott last week.
By the way, say something about SAE.
Oh, yeah, so I'm the chief engineer for the SAE team. We're currently doing the Aero West Challenge and the Aero Connect Challenge.
Do you want to recruit somebody, or do you want to do it all by yourself? I mean, it's kind of off the shot. So, but
yeah, so
yeah, you can use this opportunity to maximize your own benefit. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, yeah, so Aero Connect, we're definitely looking for new members for that. Aero West, we're like halfway through structures now, so unless people know SolidWorks coming into it, I don't really think there'd be a whole lot for people to do, but Aero Connect for sure.
She's talking about SAE. Where? Where should I look at it?
I think it's under the Attend tab.
Attend.
And then it's the Collegiate Design Series.
Collegiate Design Series CDS. All right. So she's talking about where? I don't see it. SAE Aero Connect Challenge. Okay, so she's talking about this. Do you want to talk a little bit more about this?
Yeah, so I don't think we're going to actually submit documents for the SAE competition because the deadline is coming up so fast, and with how classes were this semester and stuff, it was really hard to get people involved. But
what's this anyway? Anyways,
so Aero Connect, it's a purely design challenge. There are other challenges require you to build something, but this one, your final product is a preliminary design review for an urban air mobility system. So like this year, it's creating basically like a flying car or bus that can transport people between amusement parks.
This kind of thing, sort of conceptually speaking. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so so Jessica took my aero last semester, and then I gave her a special sort of project instead of regular course project. So she did a great job using Xflyer 5, and then she did the design of it was Aero West, by the way. That was, yeah, Aero Design, SAE Aero Design. So this class, AE317, also my heavy emphasis is using software to design airplane. The software is Xflyer 5. For those who took my Aero class last semester, you have advantage because you got started. Of course, just to scratch the surface of the software. But this semester, I'm thinking of integrating the course project using Xflyer 5 so that you are going to everybody is going to use the software to design airplane. So that's what's going to happen. So so we are going to kind of continue discussing what kind of project we can do. I haven't finalized it yet, but this could be one of those opportunities. Okay, so this is a funded project, SAE, funded from Undergraduate Research Institute. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Next, Infinity. Should I call you Infinity? How can I?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I right?
Yeah, it's Infinity.
Okay, Infi. Okay, go ahead.
So my name's Infinity Parker. I'm a senior AE Aero, and I'm here in Prescott.
Okay. And Jimmy.
Hi, my name's Jimmy Pham. I am a junior, and I'm an aerospace engineer, and I am currently in Prescott.
I mean, this is your third class taken from me?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Welcome back.
it's good to be back.
Okay. And Cody?
I'm Corey, Senior AE Aero. I'm here in Prescott as well.
Okay, so everybody's Prescott. I mean, except to like people from California. Good. All right. So anyways, welcome back. This is a small class, so I want to welcome everybody's comment. I really don't care if you disturb what I'm talking. You can disturb anytime, okay? Suppose if you kind of share, suppose if you, I don't know, if you're shy, if you want to raise your hand before you speak, just go ahead, try to raise your hand. Let me see. Can you raise your hand? Do you know how to? Okay, okay, good, good, good. Now, important thing is after you raise your hand like this, okay? Sometimes people forget about it. You have to lower your hand. Otherwise, the instructor will keep asking you a question. Oh, okay, do you have a question because you keep raising your hand? Dr. Running actually do all the time in department meeting. He forgets lowering his hand. Anyways, okay. So next, so where do we begin? Let's take a look at the canvas, okay? All right. So this is Ernie. If you are sitting in front of your own computer, go ahead, open up Ernie. That's not a problem. Just log into Ernie. This is Ernie. I already logged in. Okay, let's take a look at Canvas. Okay, so this is my Canvas homepage. And then this is AE317 right here. Okay, since I'm an instructor, so my Canvas looks completely different from yours. So I want to sort of mimic like I'm a student. So I'm going to go for setting and click on student view. So this is a simulated student view, okay? So my canvas, as always, is very, very simple. I essentially don't use canvas at all, unlike other people. I use canvas only for three purposes, 1, 2, 3. Let's just go over it. This is, by the way, home page. If you go to home page, you can always click here. If you click here, you just jump right into the course homepage. This is my course homepage. You can get everything from this course homepage. Okay. And then this picture is just a joke. Okay. I hope everybody get 4.8, 4.0 GPA like this. Okay. It's just a joke. Don't worry about it. If you click on syllabus, okay, starting from this semester, this is something new. Everybody is using simple syllabus. Of course, this is required from the school administration. I'm using simple syllabus, but I keep the syllabus super simple because it says simple syllabus. I do not put any like relevant information which you want to know. This is just a syllabus. Basic information, that's it. So the only important information out of this simple syllabus is most likely here. Link to my course homepage. Everything else is like a blah, 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 blah. So you can go ahead, look through it. Anyways, this is a grade, of course. I'm going to put all your grade information here. So you want to oftentimes come back here, take a look at your grade. Okay. So as you can see, H and Q, this is homework and quiz. P is project. Project is, of course, a fairly large component of this class. Project is 20%. Exam, I'm thinking of 2 exams, exam 1 and 2. Exams are traditional style. In other words, in-class paper and pen and pencil. Okay. So please expect that. 2 exams. Okay. PF is a project final. as you can see, there's no final exam for this class. I'm not planning to. Instead, I'm going to let you project final presentation that is going to replace the final exam. That is, by itself, it's 10%. So project is overall total 30% of the weight of this class, which is pretty heavy. Okay. All right. Next one is people. As you can see, how many people do we have? We should have 12 people right now. And here is a group. I already created 1, 2, 3, 4 project teams. Okay, project team 1, 2, and 3, 4. If you want to visit this page, just to go ahead, try to visit, because I did set up this page so that you can sign up on any team by yourself anytime. Is somebody actually looking at this page, and can you try to sign up on one of the team? Since I'm just simulating, I cannot sign up.
I joined Team 1.
Team 1. Okay, good. All right, so this is basically just a free to join team. I don't touch it. Team formation is all up to you. You can switch your team in the middle. That's fine too. Okay. Actually, if I get out of student view and then go to people, I can take a look at it. Okay, here we go. So 1, 2, and 3, 4 teams. So I can sort of sign up David to project team 1 right now. Can I do that? Yeah, I did it actually. Look at that. So David is now course project 1. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Or I can put the Jimmy into project team 4. So now Jimmy is in project 4. So I can do that, and you can do that too. I mean, you can do only yourself. I'm an instructor, so I can do anybody, but you can freely sign up to any project team. Okay. Maximum 3 members per team. We have 12 people. Okay. Right. So 4 members per team. Suppose if somebody drop out of this class, yeah, you just decrease the number of team members, but you can continue, or you can join to another team. That's fine. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Okay. All right. So let me just go back. Go back to student view. I think that's it. Do you have any question about Canvas? Okay. If not, that's it for Canvas. Let's click here to move on to the AE317 course homepage. Right, here we go. Actually, I want to open up with Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is course homepage. All right. If you took my class last semester, it's about the same. I changed a little bit. Okay. So I basically use my course homepage to provide all materials that you need. Okay. This is homepage home. Basic information. It's me. By the way, do I have to introduce myself? Oh, let me do that. Okay. Let me introduce myself. Okay, so this is my homepage, sort of. Okay. My name is Shigeo Hayashibara, Dr. H. I was born and raised in Japan. I came to the United States 1993. Before that, I was an automotive engineer at the Daihatsu Motor Company. This is now part of Toyota. Okay, so this is the company's homepage. So this company is kind of unique producing small, tiny, compact cars. Only exist in Japan. Engine is 550 cc. It's like a motorcycle engine. You know, something called K car. Tiny, tiny, small, tiny cars. You know, you can never see it in here in this country. But anyways, this is Daihatsu. It's now part of Toyota. Okay. And then I'm educated in Japan. I got associate degree of electrical engineering. Then after that, I spent like 7 years in Daihatsu and then came to United States. I'm educated in 3 schools, Wichita State, University of Southern California, and also I spent 1 year at Virginia Tech. And then I got PhD, Wichita State, 2003. I was hired here in 2003. Okay, so this is my 18th year at Embry-Riddle. I'm teaching aerodynamics kind of classes. Fluid mechanics, thermal, and aircraft performance design, those kind of classes. Okay. Do you have any question about me? I got 2 kids. I'm married. I got 2 kids. My older son is now freshman at Embry-Riddle. He's a biology major. He refused to be an engineer nor a pilot. His biology major. My daughter is now freshman at high school. Do you have any question about me? I guess the question is, can you spell my last name? No, nobody can. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the class. All right. This is aircraft flight mechanics and performance. So that's the course homepage. It's basic information for myself, office. I do have a research lab downstairs, B76 STEM building. Room 121 is my research lab, Advanced Computing and Simulations lab. My office phone number, email. This is virtual office hours, Monday, Wednesday, 9 to 11:30. Tuesday, Thursday, 9:15 to 11:45. So actually right before this class, my virtual office hours. So please stop by, okay? And then if it's outside of these virtual office hours, that means I'm offline, but you can still try to send your text message through Microsoft Teams because it usually links my phone. And then if I'm in the mood to pick up your message, I may respond. I may be sleeping, I don't know, but you can try. You can always try sending message through Microsoft Teams so that I'm going to notice your message, and then if I can respond, I will try. Okay, so don't hesitate to contact me. Okay. All right. So when you come back on February 2nd, Tuesday, yeah. Now that's where the in-class instructions began. Tuesday, Thursday, 12 to 1:15, room number B57A. Now, interestingly, this room B57A, maximum capacity under the COVID max capacity is 14. Then right now I counted number of students, it's 12. So it's less than maximum capacity. That means, let's just take a look at this document. That means, okay, we don't have to split the class, probably, most likely, okay? So this document is actual syllabus, okay? 2-page document. So first page of this document, it basically says that we have to split the class into 2 groups. If your account name begins with A to G, you are group red. H to Z, you are group blue. And then if you are in blue, you are in class on Tuesday. And then if you are red, you are in class on Thursday. Now, if you are not in class, you are basically attending remote online live, just like today's session is remote online. So half of the class is online, half of the class is in class. That's what I did in last semester. Okay. Now, it looks like we don't have to do that because classroom capacity is 14. There are 12 students right now. Okay. So I'm going to double check, and then I'm going to announce it before the 1st of February, but looks like you don't have to worry about splitting the class. So you're going to show up in class all the time. Now, there are some occasions that you may need to stay online. That's okay. In other words, you have a choice. Either show up in class or, well, today I feel like I stay in my room attending this class online. That's fine. You can do it. And then every single session in class online, I'm going to capture it. Right now, this session is recorded. So everything is videotaped, and it's going to be posted in course homepage. Okay. So please read the rest of this document. Okay. Now, second page of this syllabus is makeup policy here. And here is the excused absence. Okay. So please read through it. And then it looks like bottom of the second page. Important. Fill out below and submit the image of this page of the syllabus to the instructor. You have to do this before 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Do you have any question how to do this? I think some of you already know.
I do have a question.
Go ahead.
Is it this page, or is there another document for the syllabus that has this on its own page?
Yeah, page. That means page 2. So, okay. So your question is, you probably already looked at the updates. Is that right? Okay. So if you look at the update page, this is a new update. By the way, I've been sending updates to you a few times in the past. Are you receiving my email?
Yes, I've received your email about the updates.
Okay. And then everybody's receiving, right? So I'm going to send you updates every time I post a new update in this updates page. I'm going to cut and paste and send you email. Okay. So you're going to receive a very frequent email from me saying AE317 updates new. This is today's update kind of thing. So this is today's update. I haven't sent the email yet, but it's already here. So let's just take a look at it. Okay. So Wednesday, January 21, submit signed and dated page 2 of the special syllabus COVID instructions document due tomorrow, 6 p.m. Okay, let's just try to click on it. Okay, so this is just a single document, page 2 of the document. You can actually download it. Okay. So you can download this to anywhere, maybe desktop. Okay. No, I don't like desktop. I want to download it to download. Okay. Syllabus.pdf. So now I download it. Syllabus.pdf. Okay. All right. So this is the document. Syllabus.pdf. So this is a single, whoa. Okay. Already signed. Looks like. Okay. Good. All right. So let's just go back to the home page once again. All right. So this is the course homepage. Let's just walk through it. If you click on course materials here, okay. So this page has everything. as you can see, you are going to start from here and proceed downwards, okay? Do you notice the difference in font style here? So if you see the fonts, which is kind of bold typeface, which is emphasized style, so this is activated. In other words, Notes A2 are now activated. You can actually download Note A2, but here it's not activated yet. Okay, so you can kind of tell portion that is activated, portion that is not. Actually, it's easier to see here. So those are all activated, and this is not, okay? So all the contents or materials up to Unit A2 is now activated. You can download the notes, you can download the homework of A1 and homework of A2. And then this class, actually, if you haven't taken aerodynamics or fluid mechanics, you can still take this class. So I provide you the materials. When I taught this class, fluid mechanics last time was 2019. Aero, of course, I teach aero all the time. So those are the notes from my ES206 fluid mechanics and AE317 aerodynamics 1 classes. Okay. So you can go back always to review the materials. Okay, so this is aerodynamics. This is fluid mechanics. Okay. Next is updates, of course. Every time when I announce something, that announcement will show up here. You're going to receive the email, which is essentially cut and paste out of this page. You can always visit this page, make yourself always updated. Okay. Solutions. When I grade homework and quiz, I'm going to put up solutions first here. So you have to always correct your errors and mistakes. That's quite important. Okay, please do that all the time. And then videos. I'm going to post videos which is to be used in class lecture, or at the same time captured video, which is right now I'm recording this session. This session, the video is going to show up here in this page. Okay, so that is my course home page. All right, so let's just go back to the syllabus once again. Okay, this one. All right. So this syllabus, first page is, like I said, I don't think we need to split into two groups. So everybody's in class. And then I'm going to broadcast online from the classroom. So if you want to participate remotely from your room online, you can still do it. Okay. Please read through this page very carefully. Okay, so now you have to basically sign, fill in this portion, and then you have to submit. Okay, submit is the important thing. Okay, so let me just demonstrate how to do it. Okay, for those who took my class last semester, it's almost the same thing. But for those who is taking my class for the very first time, this requires a little bit of explanation. So first of all, let's begin with email. Okay. So I hope everybody can see this. Is it big enough? You can read it.
Looks good.
Looks good. Okay. So what I'm doing is, I don't think you can see it, but I do have a tablet, and then I do have a pen. This is XP pen. This tablet is originally designed for artists, digital artists. So I'm wearing the grub, okay, which is really finicky grub. This is anti-static grub. And then this is the artistical digital pen type of thing. So I'm going to use this all the time in class or from here, remote, online, or in class. I'm going to use digital whiteboard. I'm not going to use physical whiteboard in the classroom, okay? So that everything will be captured in the video, okay? So OneDrive. This is quite important. You're going to submit everything to OneDrive. Okay. All right. So when you come back in February, when we finally see you in class, face to face, in person, the very first thing I'm going to do in that class, February 2nd, okay, is this. I'm going to give you a piece of paper, okay? I'm going to give you a paper. And then I will let everybody make this. So this is a piece of paper. You're going to write your name really big. I can't spell my last name. Shigeo Hayashibara. This is my name. And then, okay. Have you ever seen the movie Avatar? Avatar.
Sir, are you referring to Avatar: The Last Airbender or the Blue People?
Avatar is a blue one, but the avatar is like a sort of generic term. You know, it's like some form of life form that is not exactly you, but it's kind of like you, but it's not you, kind of. Anyways, so this is my avatar. I think you know that if you took my class. A bird. So this is my avatar. The name is Ernie. Ernie, the engineering bird. This is not Dr. H. This is Ernie. Okay, so sometimes Ernie says something. That's not Dr. H say something. So right now, my avatar Ernie says, okay, how can I submit my stuff in AE317? This is flight mechanics. Okay, so Arnie is curious about. So first thing you have to submit at least by 6 p.m. tomorrow is syllabus, right? Syllabus.pdf. This is signed and dated. Okay, so let's just find out, okay? So Ernie, my avatar, is going to demonstrate you how to submit stuff into OneDrive, okay? All right. So let's just go back to this document. So first of all, I want to download this document. I think I did. Download syllabus. Okay. So this is the downloaded document. Ernie, the engineering bird, need to sign. You know, I'm using this device. Okay, I'm using tablet, and then this pen. But if you don't have such a thing, that's okay. I would actually recommend you the traditional way. Traditional way is download this document PDF file and then print out on a piece of paper Then, of course, pick up pen and pencil just to fill in this portion. Okay. Then after you fill in this portion, this is a piece of paper lying on the ground. Okay. So you're going to pick up your device. So this is a device everybody has, right? Okay. So nowadays we cannot live without this device. So this device has a camera, of course. So you're going to take a snapshot of this piece of paper and then turn this piece of paper into single PDF file. Name is syllabus.pdf. You can do that. Now, I'm recommending you to use Microsoft Office Rents. The reason is Microsoft Office Rents automatically upload your PDF file into Embry-Vero OneDrive. There's a feature for it, so it's so convenient if you use that feature. Every time when you take a snapshot using that app, Microsoft Office Rents, the image file is automatically uploaded to your OneDrive at Embry-Vero OneDrive for Business. Okay. So, anyways, Ernie, of course, has a this device. So Ernie is going to write in ink in to the PDF. Okay. So Ernie can draw stuff. Okay. Then after you draw it, you save it. Okay. So let me double check. So this is syllabus.pdf. I saved it. Okay, good. Then you go to you go to Ernie, Ernie the Embry-Vero homepage. It's not the Ernie the bird. So this is Ernie. Okay, so let's click here. This is OneDrive. Okay. So this is my OneDrive. There are tons of files. But where is it? Okay, here we go. All right. So probably yesterday, I sent you two email. Okay. Have you received this email? This looks like Jimmy. Jimmy, did you get this email? Okay. You don't have microphone? Okay, good. So here's another thing. Where is it? This is another email. Did you receive this email too, Jimmy? Okay. I think I take it yes. All right. Okay. All right, good. So everybody should have received two email, okay, from OneDrive. So this email says this person shared a folder with you. This is AE317 submission. The other one is AE317 graded, two file folders. So two file folders here. So this is the file folders for Ernie, the engineer bird, okay? So this is AE317 submission Ernie. This is AE317 graded Ernie. So everybody should have two file folders in your OneDrive account, okay? So if you have a computer, if you're using computer right now, you can access it. Try to make sure if you have two file folders. Can you confirm somebody?
Yep, I can confirm.
Okay, good. So you have two file folders. Now, this is for submission, and this is a graded work. Okay, this one is you can actually edit. This one, view only. Let's take a look. So this is Ernie Engineer Bird's submission file folder. So he clicks on it. Wow, already lots of files in it. So it looks like Dr. H already created lots of subfolders inside of submissions OneDrive file folder. Okay. looks like first thing here is submit signed and dated page 2 of syllabus. Name it to be syllabus.pdf into this file folder. So let's just click to open. So there's no files in it. So where is the file I just assigned? Syllabus. Okay, so here. So this is the syllabus. I signed it. Drag drop here. Done. That's it. I submit it. So this is how you submit. Okay. All right. So exactly 6 p.m. tomorrow, this file folder is going to be taken by Dr. H. I'm going to remove it. So after this file is gone, there's no way you can submit. So let's be careful. 6 o'clock sharp. If I say 6 o'clock, it is 6 o'clock. Okay. But until 6 o'clock, this file folder is open. So you can drag, drop, submit your stuff. Now, you can edit. That means, suppose if you made a mistake, you realize your mistake, such as, you dropped in wrong file. Maybe I found a mistake in it. You can always replace it, erase it, put the new file in it. That means you can edit. Okay. Okay, so far. So tomorrow 6 p.m. what I'm going to do. Okay, this is just the behind the scenes. Okay. So this is Ernie submitted syllabus here. Okay. So this is Ernie's submission file folder in OneDrive. And this is submitted. Okay. So at 6 o'clock tomorrow, what I'm going to do, is, okay. So this is Ernie. Yeah, looks like he submitted. Okay, I'll take it. I took it. Okay. So now Ernie is checking back. Okay, so this is Ernie, all right? Now file is gone. So you cannot submit anymore. So this is going to happen tomorrow 6 p.m. Okay. All right. Any questions so far? Does it make sense? For those, especially for those who's taking my class very first time, you need to get familiarize yourself for this kind of weird system of submitting everything into OneDrive. So please don't hesitate to ask questions. For those who took my class last semester, I think you know it very well. Okay, so this is how it goes. Any question? Okay. So let's just move on a little bit more. Ernie being an engineer bud. So looks like he's already doing homework. Now homework is not homework is not due yet. Homework due date will be announced in course homepage. Okay, updates. So I'm going to announce homework due dates in this updates page. Okay. Now it looks like this is the submit homework of unit A1 into this file folder. So let's just take a look at it. Oh, looks like Ernie already did the 3 homework assignments. Whoa, cool. How many problems do we have here? Unit A1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 homework assignments. Okay. So Ernie already did the first 3. Let's take a look. So this is Ernie's homework solutions. Okay. Consider a convergent circular duct with an inlet diameter d1 10 meter. Air enters this duct with a velocity 20 meter per second and leaves the duct with 25 meter per second. What is the area of the duct exit? Ernie have seen this in Aero. Okay, anyway, I don't think so, but let's move on. How about this? Okay, homework. A11B. Consider an aircraft wing in a flow of air where far ahead upstream of the wing, called a free stream, the pressure, velocity, density are given. At a given point A on the wing right here, the measured pressure is 2070 pounds per square foot. What is the velocity at 0.1 miles per hour? I don't think so. But anyways, okay, A12. Consider the same convergent duct and conditions as in A11A. If the air pressure at the inlet is 1 atm, what is the pressure at the exit? Looks like Ernie is getting tired, and and looks like he fell asleep in the middle of the process. Maybe too stressful to do homework. I don't know. So, okay. Anyways, so Ernie, the engineer bird, submitted already 3 homework assignment. So it's gonna go like this. Okay. So make sure you retain the original file name. All right. And then until the homework due date, this file folder remains open. So when the homework due date and time comes in, this file folder is all gone, taken by Dr. H. Okay. So let's be careful about that. Now, obviously, after the homework due date comes in, I'm going to take those assignments, okay, from here. And then, of course, I'm going to grade it, okay. After I grade it, of course, you're going to see the solutions posted on the course homepage. After I finish grading, the graded work is going to be dropped into this graded file folder, okay. This is view only access. I'm not going to grade all homework assignments. I usually grade all quizzes, but not all homework. So I'm going to randomly choose selected problems, and then I'm going to grade it. So it looks like I selected A12 of Ernie's work, and then I grade it, looks like. Let's just take a look. So this is a graded work. So obviously, Ernie forgot to put student ID, so I took the points off, -1 point. And P2 is about 1 atm. This is actually correct, but you need to reason it, you need to calculate it, of course. And then this looks like equation, but this is not even equation. It looks like Bernoulli, but it's not Bernoulli. It's a wrong equation, actually not even equation here, because there's no equal sign. Okay. And then incomplete work. So Ernie's got 4 out of 10, but -1 deducted, 3 out of 10. Anyways, so this is a graded work. You can always see it. Okay, graded work is going to be pushed back into this file folder. So this is how it goes. You're going to work on homework and quiz. You're going to submit into this submission file folder. Okay, and then when the due date and time comes, those subfolder will be taken by Dr. H, and then Dr. H is going to grade it. Not all homework, but some of the homework, randomly selected homework problems will be graded. And also most of the quiz will be graded. And then graded work is going to be placed in here. So you can always see, okay? Does it make sense to you? Especially for those who are taking my class very first time. Make sense? Is it clear? Or if you have any question, please ask me now. You okay? So it sounds like you already know. Is that true? Okay. All right. So let me just double check because you're awfully quiet. Because it's right after lunch. Maybe you are sleeping. So if you understood, please raise your hand. I appreciate that. Okay, good. So, all right. So this is how it goes. So what's next? I guess that's all I have today. Any question? So please don't forget. Okay, so please don't forget today's update. So you have to submit signed and dated page 2 of the special syllabus COVID instructions document. Please submit it to the OneDrive. Okay. Due is tomorrow 6 p.m. Okay. It's 1 point. If you fail to do this, you get 0 out of 1. It's F. If you successfully complete this, you get 1 out of 1. You get A, 100%. Okay? So make sure you start your semester with A. You can do it. Okay? All right, so that's all we have today. So we are going to start doing a lecture starting from next week, Tuesday. Again, remote online. But please feel free to just to send me text message if you have any question or stop by during my virtual office hours. Either way is fine. Okay. And then have a wonderful weekend. We still have a little bit of time, but let's finish up early today. Okay. We actually have 20 minutes, but let's finish up early today. This is all I have. Unless you want to get into the lecture today. Let's just take a poll. Do you want to get into the lecture today? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Okay, wait a minute. Please raise your hand if you want to do a lecture today. Nobody? Nobody? No? Didi? Okay, so have a wonderful weekend. Okay. See you guys back on Tuesday.
Thank you, Dr. H.
Yeah, thanks. See ya. Yeah, Jimmy, do you have a question?